That's what it's about though, right? Doing simple things because simple things become large things. 2023 and we're getting married online.
Alright.
Vows are the promises that you make with each other.
We have something personal to say.
I love it.
Inizio io. Quando nasce un amore non è mai troppo tardi, scende come un bagliore. E adesso mi emoziono e non ricordo più le parole.
Es gracias a ti porque tienes un gran amor que compartir. Yo ser parte de eso me hace sentir muy orgulloso y quiero decirte que el amor todo lo supera.
Marcelo, do you take Emilio to be your legally wedded partner?
Yes, I absolutely do.
Emilio, do you take Marcelo to be your legally wedded partner?
Yes, yes.
I now pronounce you partners for life, legally and lawfully married.
Say.
This is just, you guys are fantastic. Congratulations, Marcelo and Emilio.
Thank you.